Hello YouTube. Today I got a vlog. I'm going to Unadilla Pro Motocross today. It's very early in the morning. Here's practice going on right now. We just got here. I'll give it a minute on the camera. I'm gonna have me and my dad do predictions. Got the bracelet. Here's the map of the track. Here's the podium. We'll be here later. Here they are. I believe this is practice. Over there, there's a new section. It's split laned over there this year. After going under there. I just passed the grid. I'm at the split lane section now. Oh, wow. There's Davies. There's Deegan. Yeah. Coming right there. See him? He's coming off the jump now, right there. Yeah, there's Deegan. Levi Kitchen. Just missed the fireworks. Who do you got winning?
This one?
Yeah, first moto.
I think Deegan's winning this one, but I'm rooting for Davies.
I think Shimoda is going to win the first.
Oh, yeah, hopefully.
They're going soon. up.
Right now. Amateur, then we see the number 1 come into our view for just a second. That is Hayden Deegan and Shimoda.
Hayden Deegan's your leader right now.
Fights back.
Off of the announcement.
Right now, he got a great drive out of that last run. Right now goes back to the inside, the out trying to defend. Keeps the throttle on the number 16 KTM. Prevents the pass over the sky shot at the rider's touchdown. Here they are. Now you see them kind of set each other up. They're outside, they're inside. They're about 25 feet apart on the track. Now Biel starts to slide over on Shimoda. Is he going to take him to the outside? Or is Shimoda gets out of the base? And it is Biel who works to the inside.
Yep, I hear them. They're
And he
coming.
takes back about a 2-bike length advantage now it's the drag race. Honda on KTM. Shimoda knocking
Here we go. Looks like Bial's the lead. Shimoda second. Deegan fourth. I can't tell who that is. It is loud. It is really loud here. I believe that's everyone for the first lap. Shimoda's in the lead. That's my pick. Deegan's up to second. There's Biel. 23, I'm not sure who that is. Nope, that's not me. That's everyone right there. I believe it's the 10th lap. Here's Shimoda in the lead. Now let's see how far behind. How far ahead he is. Oh! I think Shimoda's already in the lap. There's Deegan.
That's third place.
There's Biel.
Biel was faster.
Oh, here we go. Beaumare got passed. I'm gonna do this point system. If our picks get in the top 3, we get points. If your pick wins, you get 3. If they get second, you get 2. If they get third, you get 1. Look at this lead Shimoda has on second place Deegan. Has Deegan got here yet? No. Here's Deegan up there. First 250 moto is over. I have 3 points because My pick, Joe Shimoda, won. My dad has 2 points, his pick. Hayden Deegan got second. And Drew Adams, I believe his name is, got third. Who do you got winning the first 450 moto?
Oh, you know, number 1, number 18.
Jet. Who's that at first? Is that RJ Hampshire? Here we go! Where is Jet at? I seen Tomac. Where did the bike go? Oh, I thought he was in the clip. Here's the leaders again on the third lap. Hampshire is still in the lead. Then Hunter, I think. Then Jeff. Or the other way around. Roxy, Tomac's gaining on him. I'm guessing it's not too close. They are sending it. Here they go again. Both of our picks is in the lead. Then RJ, then Hunter. Tomac. Roxy. Prada. I think Cooper. Then Hunter. We got Tomac in third. Hampshire fourth. Roxon sixth. There's Prada. I believe this is the ending to the last lap of the first 450 moto. The top 3 right now, if it didn't end, is our Jet Lawrence. Yup, Jet right there in first. Hunter in second. Tomac in third. Dad, who do you got winning the next one?
Sushi.
I think I'm gonna go Deegan this time. I think Deegan's gonna get it this time.
Giving me a chance to...
Here comes the first lap of the second 250 moto. They're coming around the corner anytime. There he is. Vial's the leader. And then Shimoda. I do not see Deegan. Shimoda is your leader. Deegan is right there. Your leader, we're approaching on your leader is Shimoda right there. Second is Biao right there. I believe third is Deegan. Wow. I think that's him right there, yep. That's my pick. After this race, if it stays the way it is, my dad's points is up to 8 and mine are up to 7. Hey Dad, who do you got in the second 450? The 1-8. Jet. And I'm going with a risky one. I'm going RJ Hampshire. So actually, I'm changing my answer to Hunter Lawrence.
Wait for him.
Yeah!
There's Jet track over there. Yeah.
Gave her a big old swoosh. Don't look up, it might
Oh,
look at
the
you.
drone right straight above you, Chad.
Yeah, I can't look. I'm good with blinding myself to look at the drone. So that's the video. My dad won the predictions. I had to add up the math. My dad had 11 and I had 9. Hope you guys like the video. Hey guys, so as I'm editing this on a different day, I lost more of the podium footage that I had because my phone got too hot, but Jet Lawrence ended up winning that moto, and Hunter got second, Tomac got third.